13% higher and 19% wider, this large, round, four-pillar type cabin is the most spacious in its class, with 30% more total space compared to the previous model, the M130X. Oversized windows provide exceptional visibility to the front, back, left, and right, making it easier to confirm the position and condition of an implement. This greatly increases work efficiency. The cabin has been moved forward 100 millimeters compared to previous models, providing better forward visibility and improving front-rear balance. With a large cabin, there is ample space for the optional deluxe passenger seat. A roof hatch is included as standard equipment, enabling the operator to maintain a natural posture while checking conditions during loader work. Less operator fatigue during long hours of work means better work efficiency. The roof hatch can also be opened for natural fresh air ventilation. The air conditioner features an electronic control panel and internal or external air selection. The airflow from the 6 air outlets is optimized by the round shape of the cabin. This design prevents cool air from blowing directly onto the operator, further reducing fatigue during long hours of work. Warm air can be blown directly from between the dashboard and windscreen to quickly defrost and defog the windscreen, enabling work to get started more quickly on cold mornings. The M135GX also features a new bonnet design. The flat nose ensures good front visibility, and grass and dust are less likely to adhere. The sharply angled front grille prevents foreign matter from adhering and increases airflow for better cooling performance. With its full open design, the bonnet can be easily opened by pulling the release latch. The air conditioner condenser can be easily removed without using tools, facilitating inspection and cleaning of the area around the engine. The steering wheel features stepless tilt adjustment and telescopic adjustment, allowing it to be set to the ideal position for optimum operator comfort. The position of the shuttle lever, light switch, and other controls moves together with the steering wheel, so they are always readily accessible. The shuttle lever has electronic control and can be operated with a light touch, enabling the operator to easily shift the lever without letting go of the steering wheel when doing loader work. The air ride swivel seat is made by Grammer of Germany. All of the main operating controls are located on the seat's integrated right armrest for easy operation even when swiveling the seat to check on conditions to the rear or side. LCD displays on the front meter panel and right side enable conditions to be checked at a glance. With both front and side displays, the operator can check conditions with minimal eye and body movement, reducing fatigue during long hours of work and increasing work precision and efficiency. The settings on the side monitor can be easily changed at the touch of a button to suit the type of work and operator's preference. There are 8 main shift speeds, the most in its class, for a total of 24 speeds each in forward and reverse. The operator can easily select the best speed for the work being performed. In addition, an optionally available creep speed increases the total number of speeds to 32 each in forward and reverse. The main gear shift is button operated for easy shifting without having to use the clutch pedal. Shifting is possible using either the main gear shift lever or the button on the armrest. A 3-speed range shift is standard equipment. The operator simply moves the lever forward or back while pressing the clutch button. And because the M-Range can handle a wide range of speeds from 3.6 to 13.5 kilometers per hour, there's less need to operate the range shift while working. When changing gears with the range shift, the speed of the main shift used prior to gear changing is remembered by the speed memory function. Shifting is quick and easy, even when switching back and forth between work and travel, further boosting work efficiency. To ensure safety, there's also a high-speed check function. So after traveling at H4 or higher, and then working at M6, when switching back to the H range, the speed is automatically set to H3 to prevent the tractor from suddenly jumping forward. There's also an auto mode that automatically shifts up or down within a preset range according to changes in the engine speed and how the accelerator pedal is operated. This auto mode can also be set to either field mode or travel mode according to the type of work being performed. For plowing or haymaking, the operator sets the auto mode to field mode, then sets the main shift speed and the engine speed. The operator is then free to concentrate on the work. When engine speed drops due to a heavy load, such as when going uphill, the auto mode automatically downshifts. Then when the load decreases, the auto mode automatically upshifts to the previously set speed. During turning, when an implement is raised, the auto mode downshifts 2 speeds within the standard setting range for safe turning. When the turn is completed and the implement is lowered, the auto mode shifts up to the original speed. When the main shift button is pressed to change the set work speed, the indicated speed becomes the new maximum speed. At the same time, the automatic shifting range also moves. To lower the set speed, the operator pushes the field mode side of the auto mode button to select the desired speed, which then becomes the new maximum speed. When working with the PTO switched on, the PTO is given priority over the travel speed, and the auto mode shifts down or up according to the workload. When doing roll baling work, for example, this prevents the hay from becoming clogged or being rolled unevenly, ensuring uniform quality. When pulling a trailer, the operator sets the auto mode to travel mode. During travel, when the operator lets up on the accelerator pedal, such as on a curve, the auto mode automatically downshifts according to the engine speed. And when the accelerator pedal is depressed again, the auto mode shifts back up to the previous set speed. Pressing the RPM memory button enters the engine RPM at that time into memory. The engine RPM can be set in two patterns, A and B. For example, by setting A to 2000 RPM and B to 1000 RPM, pressing the A button allows the engine speed to be automatically set to 2000 RPM for performing work. Then pressing the B button sets the engine to 1000 RPM, such as for turning. Even when operating at the preset RPM, the engine speed will still increase when the accelerator pedal is depressed. So, after completing work at the preset RPM, the operator can press the accelerator pedal to quickly move to the next field. And once there, work can begin immediately. Because the preset speeds are stored in memory, even if the operator changes, the work can be performed at the same engine RPM. The work cruise function maintains the engine RPM at a constant speed, even when the workload increases. During work such as seeding, fertilizing, and spraying, the travel speed, PTO RPM, and hydraulic pressure are all maintained at constant levels to ensure uniform high-precision results. This type of automatic operation is made possible by integrated control, which links the engine, gear shift, hydraulic circuit, turning, digital LCD displays, and operating system via a high-speed network. The M135GX is equipped with a 6.1-liter engine and the M110GX with a 3.8-liter engine. Both are full electronic control, high-pressure, common rail direct fuel injection Kubota engines that were developed together with the tractors. A 4-valve electronic center direct injection system with 2 valves each for intake and exhaust provides superior intake and exhaust efficiency, while Kubota precision manufacturing technology ensures exceptional seal performance. The injection nozzles at the center of the cylinder, plus ultra-high pressure injection, produce a superfine mist. And electronically controlled multiple injection, up to 4 injections per cycle, delivers optimum combustion efficiency under any conditions. The result is higher output, lower fuel consumption, and reduced operating noise and vibration. With their common rail fuel injection system coupled with cool DGR, a DOC, and a diesel particulate filter, these engines fully comply with the European emission standards for non-road diesel engines, combining high power with cleaner exhaust and lower fuel consumption. They can even be used for indoor work, such as in a cowshed or warehouse, with complete safety. The Grand X series features a long wheelbase, but also boasts a tight turning radius thanks to bi-speed turning and other technological advances. The resulting smooth turning in wide fields and quick turning in cowsheds and other confined spaces greatly boosts work efficiency. Kubota's unique bi-speed turning is standard on the Grand X series. During a turn, the outside front wheel rotates at approximately twice the speed of the rear wheels. This minimizes damage to the ground surface and enables the tractor to turn quickly and smoothly in tight locations. The front axle features Kubota's unique, securely shielded bevel gear mechanism, which increases the turning angle of the front wheels to improve tight turn performance. And because the gear mechanism is securely shielded, it's protected from damage due to mud and water. The M135GX features optional front suspension. The front wheel support arms and hydraulic shock absorbers minimize vibration from rough ground surfaces for a comfortable ride and stable work precision. The front suspension dampers can be set to 3 different firmness levels: firm, normal, or soft. And operation of the suspension can also be set to either lock, on, or auto lock. When set to auto lock, the suspension is automatically locked to minimize changes in tractor position while working. When the implement is raised, the suspension is automatically set to the on mode to absorb unevenness in the ground surface for a more comfortable ride. With its large diameter external cylinder, the M135GX boasts a maximum hydraulic lift capacity of 6,100 kilograms and a hydraulic pump capacity of up to 82.5 liters per minute. This capacity can easily accommodate today's larger implements for greater work efficiency. Lower link sensitive electronic draft control ensures high precision draft control, unaffected by uneven ground surfaces. And by continuously pressing the 3-point position button when plowing, the plow digs deeper into the soil, shortening the distance to the plow tip and increasing work efficiency. Changing implements is quick and easy with a quick hook type 3-point end. And pitch height adjustment is easily performed using the buttons on the rear fenders. This enables even large implements to be easily changed. A maximum of 4 auxiliary control valves with independent flow control are optionally available. Individual control of each valve's oil flow rate allows use of implements requiring multiple hydraulic circuits, or operation of the 3-point hitch while simultaneously using the hydraulic system to operate an implement. The Kubota front loaders that were developed together with the Grand X series are a perfect match for these tractors. Because they were specifically designed for the Grand X series, these front loaders ensure optimum visibility and smooth operation. The front loader is efficiently operated using the integral right console lever. Operator fatigue during long hours of work is lessened thanks to the readily accessible main controls. Easy attachment and detachment without tools. With the optional single lever hydraulic quick coupler, the front loader can be quickly and easily attached and detached without using any tools. It's also possible to select one of two boom cylinder fulcrums to suit the type of work. For work requiring greater height, such as when stacking square hay bales, the height position allows for a maximum height of 4 meters. And when doing work requiring greater power, such as when using a bucket to handle soil or manure, the power position enables handling of a maximum load of up to 1.6 tons. An optional third function valve is also available for performing an even wider range of front loader work. The Grand X Series is equipped with Kubota's unique hydraulic self-leveling system to avoid any obstruction of forward visibility and to allow the operator to efficiently work in a natural posture. With the optional KSR, the two accumulators installed on the lift cylinders absorb the shock of the front loader, dampening the shock transmitted to the tractor markedly reduces operator fatigue, even when performing repeated scoop and dump work. It also contributes to a longer life for both the tractor and the loader.